Hello children, today we'll be discuss one question from JEE Advanced. It is from geometry progression. It's a very simple question but somewhat tricky question. The question says like this: let the first term a and the common ratio r of a geometric progression be positive integers. There is a catch in that sentence, positive integers. If the sum of its squares of first three terms is 33033, then what is the sum of the three terms? Now you're asked to find the value of first three terms. You know, any three terms of a geometric progression is A, AR, AR square. The first three terms. Any three terms you can say it as A by R, A, AR. But first three terms you can write as A, AR, AR square. But you are asked to find the value of A plus AR plus AR square. That's a question. What is given? Their square sum, it is given. That is A square plus A square R square plus A square R raised to 4. It is given. It is 33033. Here there is only one equation. There are two unknowns, A and R. That is a trick behind this question. You factorize this. It is A square into 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4. You can factorize 33033 as 33033 can be factorized as 11. You get 3003. It will go again 3. It is 1001. Again 11. It is 91. Again 13. It is 7. But you can write this as 11 square into 3 into 13 into 7. And you know it is equal to 11 square into, 3 into 13 into 7 is 273. Which means, all these numbers 11, 13, 7, 13, 11, 3, etc. Everything is prime number. That means A square should be 11 square or A equals 11. And 1 plus R square should be 273. Therefore, 1 plus R square plus R raised to 4 should be 273. That is, R square plus R raised to 4 is 272. Or R square into 1 plus R square is 272. You factorize again 272. 272 can be factorized as you can factorize it as 4, 7, 6 4s 24, 32, 4 8s are 32, again 4 times, it is 70, right? Therefore, it is 4 square into 17. And 17 can be written as 4 square into 1 plus 4 square. It is R square into 1 plus R square, which is nothing but R square should be 4 square, right? Therefore, R is equal to 4. But you got the value of A as 11 and R as 4. Now you substitute the value here. It is A is 11 into 1 plus 4 plus 4 square. Therefore, the value of this will be 11 into 21, or it is 231. It's a very simple question. Only one equation, two unknowns. I think you have enjoyed this question. Please like this. If you like this, if you get benefited by this question, please like it and share this with your friends, and also subscribe this channel, and so that you'll get more and more questions notified. Thank you.